The world is going gaga on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. If you are invested in cryptocurrencies and want to automatically track and manage your portfolio, this video is for you. We are going to use StackBuy and CoinMarketCap API to build a solid crypto tracker for you. Stay tuned. So first, you need to go to StackBuy. So once you log into StackBuy, just log in with your email address and password. And you enter into a dashboard. Now here, I've created a new workspace called Portfolio Management. Now within Portfolio Management, I just need to add a stack. In this case, I will choose a template, search for the crypto tracker template. And here's the template that we are looking for. So we'll just use this tag and add it to that particular workspace. So once that stack is added, what we'll do is we'll just quickly enter the stack. So here, the template is created, right? All we need to do is we just need to customize it according to our needs. So let's start from the beginning. So I want to connect and bring my crypto data from CoinMarketCap API. So, if we go to connect to an API or a service, I select CoinMarketCap here. I have to add an API key from my account. So I'll just add it, add an API key. So I'll just click here. It will directly take me to that particular integration. All I need to do is, I go to CoinMarketCap, which is basically, a marketplace for cryptocurrency and gives all the cryptocurrency data, that's out there. So I just have to log in into, my CoinMarketCap account. Basically, it's a free account. You get 10,000 credits, every month to start using. And once you log in, in the overview tab, you basically get your API key. So just copy this API key. So I've already copied this. And add the API key here. So in this case, I'll just add CoinMarketCap. Okay, and just paste the API key that we just added. So it's right here. Now, if we go back to the crypto tracker stack, let's see how it looks. So the first thing is, I want to basically get all the symbols of the cryptocurrency that I'm interested in, or that I've invested in. So basically, this is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Stellar, and the currency that we'll use is USD. So what I have then done is, I've connected a particular column to the CoinMarketCap API. So in this case, I just have to select the API key, and there are 3 different services that I can bring information from. If I want to bring information on individual, cryptos, what is their price, their latest price, their market cap, and so on. So I can easily do that. Or I can bring, overall, market metrics for individual cryptocurrencies. So in this case, you have to select get cryptocurrency data based on a slug. So the slug is Bitcoin. Basically, it's right here. And I just have to select the slug column to reference and the currency column or the convert column to reference. In this case is the currency column. So I click on apply. So basically, once you apply, it brings all of the information. You would see that all of this information is changed. So what this does is you basically click on the data explorer. So it basically gives you the JSON response of that particular slug. So in this case, I want to bring the information about the price of of Bitcoin. What is their volume, their percentage change, 60 days, 90 days, 30 days, changes, that overall market cap, and when was this last updated. So all I need to do is, if I want to bring a certain information, so I just say I want to bring the volume, and let's just say I want to bring percentage change in 60 days, and I just create these two columns. So it basically brings the volume and the percentage change. So the price, the volume, the market cap, when was this last updated, what is the percentage change in 1 hour, in 24 hours, in 30 days for for that particular currency. So currently the price is 45,000. It has dipped very recently. So now once the data is there from the APIs and it's already within our columns, we basically create a total holding column, which is basically a number where you just add your total holdings, for say, for example, for Bitcoin. And here there is a current value. So the current value is basically the price into the total holding. So for example, if I change this to 0.50, the current value changes as well, right? So this is how you can easily track all your cryptocurrency in real time. So for example, if you want to refresh and change this, so the price changes and your current value will also change. What you can also do is just schedule this API, create an automation to schedule it to run, say, every day or every 3 days or every 7 days. So in this case, we just want to make it run every 7 day, at 5 o'clock. And I can schedule this. So basically this is scheduled. And every day at 5 o'clock, the API will call and all of this data will change in real time. Now, if you want to expand this into a portfolio management, workflow, super easy. So what I've then done is I've created a new table called portfolio, where there are really just two portfolios in this crypto, world. One is the Bitcoin and other is alternative coins. So what I can then do is I can link it to a particular portfolio. So I've created a column called link that allows to link between two tables, and just I'll add it to the Bitcoin portfolio, the Bitcoin one, and all of the others, would go into alternative coins, and I'll just drag in. So in the portfolio table, it is already linked to that. Now, if I want to see, how my total portfolio is doing overall, so I just create an aggregation. So there's a column type called aggregation. So based on the currencies, I want to bring, for example, the current value of those holdings and want to create a sum of it. So total sum, total holdings. And I want to show it in a currency format and just apply. So it basically brings, your total holdings in Bitcoin and in alternative coins. Now you can expand this into, something much more complex. We have all the building blocks, that you can utilize, in StackBuy. So this is how you can create your custom crypto tracker, connect to the CoinMarketCap API and just let it roll. Just sit back and relax, periodically sign in to check, how your portfolio is doing. So super easy to use, just, couple of clicks to set up and get started. So the template link is in the description. So you can, click on the template and just create your own custom, crypto tracker or your, custom portfolio, tracker, for your cryptocurrencies. Cheers. Subscribe to this channel to get updates on meaningful content around entrepreneurship, starting up, digital marketing, community, and more every single week.